If you're using ChatGPT to make study notes, then you need to try this trick. It literally takes a few seconds, and the notes look like they were actually written by hand. During my exams, I had so many previous year questions that I didn't even know where to start. I asked ChatGPT to generate notes, but they looked like plain textbook content. They were difficult to revise, and honestly, they felt boring. So I did something different. First, I collected all the important questions from previous year papers and arranged them unit-wise inside a Google Doc. Then, I used a simple AI notes generator prompt. I've already added that prompt in the description, so just copy it. Now open ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and at the end, type your topic. For example, explain ARP and RARP. Then simply type generate image and hit enter. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT generates a clean handwritten notes image with proper headings, important points, and even diagrams wherever they're needed. All you have to do is download that image and paste it below the question in your Google Doc. I used this method to make almost all of my exam notes, and it made revision so much easier. The notes look natural, they're much easier to remember, and studying actually feels less overwhelming. If you want the prompt, you'll find it in the description below. Give it a try, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends before their exams.